If you are a super busy tax preparer, then you know that come January, February, March, April, things tend to get a little bit crazy. And one of the things that we know in our business is as much as you can do to plan ahead and start getting ahead of things now, the easier your life is going to be come that busy season. My name is Katie Toscano, and I am one half of Cabot & Main, and we help accounting firms to make things easier and run more smoothly using systems, workflows, and automations. We're also certified TaxDome consultants, and we're here today just to talk about what you can do in your business right now to help you get through the busy season. Right now, we're in November, going to be December right around the corner, and this is a busy time of year. You are not only just wrapping things up for year end, you're also personally probably getting ready for holidays and family time and time off work. So what we want to help you do right now is to work ahead, start thinking ahead so that you don't feel that crunch later on. And even if you do feel that crunch, at least you know you've taken care of some of these bigger things to get them off your plate. So these are 5 things that you can start doing right now to be able to be ready for tax season. All right, number 1 is emails. We are going to draft a couple of key emails that you know you are going to need later on this tax season. So some examples of that might be a kickoff to tax season email, or another example might be if you don't send me all of your documents by this date, you're going to be put on an extension, something to kind of kickstart your clients to make sure they know they need to get you what you need to do the work. Reminders to submit the documents. Of course, we can automate a lot of these things, but these are things that you can create and draft right now. You can set them up in your system. You can set those reminders to have that automated. Another one might be a thank you for working with us, or as we close out tax season. So just some of those emails that you know you're going to need to send, draft them now, schedule them now if you can, or set them up to be automated inside your workflows, for example. Another thing you're going to do right now is you're going to take a look at your organizer. This is something that if you can just do it now, help yourself out and get it all updated, make any changes for the new year, all of those things, even better if you can schedule it out or get it automated. That way you know those updates are ready to go and you have that off your plate, off your mind as you head into January and February. Number 3, this is a big one. So a lot of firms are hiring help now, and what they tend to forget to do is make sure that they are trained and ready to go on all the systems, all the tech, all of the client work that they're going to be doing. So if you can take the time to not only get your hiring done now, but also an effective onboarding, if you can do that now, it's going to set you up for success. That team member is going to feel empowered to take on that work come tax season. And that training can look like a few different things. You can use Loom videos like I'm using right now to record some trainings out. You can do live sessions where they sit one-on-one with you. You can have them sit with team members. Just make sure that they are set up for success so that they have all that technical and soft skill training and are really clear on what they're doing come tax season, so that it's not February, March, April where you're trying to get them trained or they're making mistakes. You want to set them up for success right now. And number 5, if you haven't done this already, actually we're on number 4, we're going to onboard your clients into TaxDome. So this is where if you're using another system, you'll onboard them into there. You're sending them out information so they know how to use it. They feel comfortable and confident in why you're using it and what they need to be doing now versus later. So that might look like sending them videos on, hey, here's how you can use it, or a blog, a tutorial, something to get them comfortable if they are not already. And if they aren't already in your system, make sure you're adding them in. Now we're actually on number 5, and this is where you're going to actually make sure that your workflows are ready to go. So you want to make sure that you're using those emails that you've created before, or if you are going to be using text, you're using your text messages, that's all set up. You have your engagement letters, your organizers, all these reminders, you have all these things set inside of your workflow. It's ready to go, it's been reviewed, it's been trained on, and it's been automated to the extent that you can or want it to. Don't make this harder than it has to be. You really can simplify this as much as possible. We have a lot of videos, a lot of trainings on how to do this exact step, so you can make sure that you feel like you and your team are going in very confidently into tax season this year. And if you feel like you need help on all of these things, we have 2 tools that you can use. One, we have our Future Proof Accountant membership. This is where we are going to give you the templates, the training, the community, the tools, and the live support to go do this yourself. But if you feel like you want a little bit more hands-on help, you want someone to really come in, customize it, and do it for you, we also have builds where we will come in and build out your workflows inside TaxDome, or if you use other systems, we can help you with that as well, and we'll get it done for you. So whether that is your day-to-day workflows for completing your tax returns or your bookkeeping, or your onboarding for your clients, or even onboarding for your team members, we can help you build that out. You can visit our website at cabotandmain.com and we can book a call and let's chat. Otherwise, I hope that you can take a few minutes this season to knock out these 5, get them done, get them off your list, and remember, if you need help,